Most people think aging means getting weaker, but that's not the full story. The real reason many lose strength isn't age, it's skipping key movements. And there are 3 simple exercises that could change everything. They protect your joints, boost your posture, and keep your muscles strong, even after 50. Ignore them now, and in 10 years, your body might wish you hadn't. Squat. If there's one move that deserves lifelong loyalty, it's the squat. This workout may look simple at first glance, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to training your lower body and keeping your legs strong well into your 50s, 60s, and beyond. While many chase big muscles through machines at the gym, this single bodyweight movement stimulates the kind of strength that makes real-life tasks easier. Think about getting off a couch, climbing stairs, or even just walking confidently. All of it becomes smoother with squats in your fitness toolkit. Let's not ignore the science either. Squats trigger the production of growth hormone, which is a natural way to fight age-related muscle decline and burn fat. That means this one exercise doesn't just build muscles, it actually helps you preserve them as the years go by. You don't need fancy sports gear or a full-blown gym setup, just your own body and a little commitment. Start with 2 sets of 10 reps, holding onto a chair for balance if you're new to training. Your future self will thank you, maybe even with a wink in the mirror. Here's a secret few trainers mention: squats don't just work your legs. They hit the core too, engaging those deep muscles that keep your spine aligned and your posture proud. That makes squats a full-body workout hiding in plain sight. And as you'll soon notice, mastering squats also prepares your body for the next challenge, especially when it comes to reversing the effects of too much sitting. Glute bridges. Most people don't realize how much power they're leaving on the table by neglecting their glutes. Glute bridges are the kind of workout that looks soft, but hits hard, especially for anyone dealing with back pain, poor posture, or the consequences of sitting for hours. This movement wakes up muscles that have been asleep for years. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your lower back and hips. And trust me, that's more valuable than any cushion you can buy for your office chair. Glute bridges train the glutes and hamstrings in a way that supports your spine and keeps your posture upright and youthful. When your backside is strong, walking becomes lighter, climbing stairs feels easier, and even your balance improves. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent, feet flat, and slowly lift your hips. Hold for a few seconds at the top and lower with control. Do this after your squats, and you'll feel the difference not just in your workout, but in your everyday life. A powerful trick? Do this movement before bed to reverse the damage of sitting all day. You'll sleep better and move easier in the morning. And while everyone else is chasing big muscles through flashy gym routines, you'll be quietly building the kind of strength that keeps your body aligned and pain-free. But if you think this is where the magic ends, just wait until your upper body starts getting the attention it deserves. Bench dips. Upper body strength doesn't just look good in a t-shirt. It's what allows you to carry groceries, lift grandkids, and open that stubborn jar of peanut butter without a fight. Bench dips might look like a gym class flashback, but they're a serious workout when done right. This move lights up your triceps, shoulders, and chest, giving you the kind of upper body power that stays with you long after your gym membership expires. Even a sturdy chair at home can become your personal strength station. As people age, the upper body is often the first to lose strength. That's a dangerous trait, especially when you consider how much your shoulders and arms do daily. But here's where training gets clever. Bench dips don't just build muscles, they also protect your joints. Strong shoulders mean better posture, reduced risk of injury, and less of that hunched look that sneaks up on so many after 50. Aim for 3 sets of 8 reps to start, resting 1 minute between sets. And if you're thinking, I've never done a dip in my life, don't worry. Start with your knees bent, hands on the edge of a bench, and feet flat on the floor. Lower yourself gently, then push back up. Your arms might tremble at first, but that's just your body waking up. And once it does, you'll be ready for the kind of transformation that goes beyond just looking fit. Because real fitness, well, that begins long before you even pick up a dumbbell. So what's stopping you? You've got the moves, you've got the knowledge. Now it's just a matter of action. Imagine how different your life could look 10 years from now if you start today. More energy, fewer aches, better posture, and a body that keeps up with everything you love doing. Feels good just thinking about it, right? Which of these exercises will you try first? Or better yet, Are you already doing one and feeling the difference? Drop a comment and let's talk about it. This journey is yours, but you're not in it alone. And hey, if you want to keep learning how to build strength, boost health, and stay fit no matter your age, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. More real tips are coming your way.